Hi children, the lesson I am coming to do with you today is English. So we will be doing a few pages from the English workbook. Because this work is easy, I am sure you can finish all of this in one day. So we will start with page number 30. Numbers. Color the flowers, write the numbers. Now this work you are familiar with, right? We have written the numbers in your book. I told you that you have to learn to write from 1 to 10 on your own. So they want us to write the number. So on the left hand side they have given us the flowers. We have to count it. Then they have written down the number in words. We have to write it in number. Okay. So now the first is, there is one flower. So they have written the word 1. We will write the number 1. Then we'll go to the second one. How many flowers? There are 2. Read the word 2, TWO, and write number 2. So like that you will count all the flowers and you will read all the words from 1 to 10. You should be able to read this on your own. Read the numbers in words and write the number in the letter. Okay. Right. So this is the work on page number 30. This is easy. So I don't have to explain too much about this. You count the flowers, you read the number there, and you write the number in the box. Okay. Right. Now we'll go to page number 31. Page number 31. Match each picture with the correct number. Now they want to see whether you have learned to read these numbers on your own in words. I told you that you should be able to read this. Write it on your own from 1 to 10, and now they are wanting to see whether you have really learned to read this number. So they want you to read the number and match it to the picture. Match it to the picture that has the number. So the first number they have given is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they have given us from 1 to 10. So number 1, you have to see the box that has only one picture and you match it with a line. Right. So what is the one picture that there is? It's an umbrella. No. So you will match it to the umbrella. And then number 2, you will look for a picture that has only 2 objects. No. And what is that? It's 2 balls. So like that children, you will read all the numbers and you will count the pictures in the box and match it with the line to the number in words. Okay children. So that is that page. You can do this on your own. Like I said, I'm not going to explain too much to you because we have done this and it's easy work. Okay, then we'll go to page number 32. We'll go to page number 32. Draw. Now they want us again to read. Now again you see children, reading is very important. I hope you all are practicing your reading. Once a week I have given you work on Friday. So even if you can read not only once a week but also during the week, that will be great. So you have to be able to read by now. So you have to know the sounds, all the phonetic sounds in the alphabet. So they have given us very small words which we can read. So the first one will be 1 car. So you will draw 1 car in the box. Then the next one, 2 dogs. So you will draw the 2 dogs. Then below that, 3 trees. Then 4 pencils. Then 5 balloons and 6 books. So you will draw the pictures nicely. So now don't forget, you have to only draw that particular number that they have given you. You can't draw more than that. It has to be only that number. Then below that they have given us 7 cats. So you will draw the 7 cats. Then 8 cups. Then 9 birds and 10 balls. Okay children, so this is the work that you have. You have 3 pages, but like I said, it's not a lot. You have to read and just write the numbers or match it, and then you have to draw the pictures. So the most important thing in this lesson is for you to be able to recognize in reading numbers from 1 to 10. Okay children, till I see you next. Bye.